Check this out. This is my favorite catfishing rig for rivers. This is exactly how this FATKAT rig works. I cast it out there, and when it hits the water, the drift rig goes to work. This rig's a game changer because it doesn't sit in one spot. It keeps your bait floating just off the bottom, so your bait is able to move, and this does big things. And right now, my bait is getting drifted past every hungry catfish. I open my bail and I give it line. Look at my left hand. It's constantly giving it line, giving it line, giving it line. This allows your rig to drift with the current, and it lets the bait move to the catfish that are sitting in the current waiting for food to come to them. This is how it's different from a bottom rig. So your bobber is able to move and cover a lot of ground, whereas a bottom rig just sits still. And with the bottom rig, you're having to sit and wait for the catfish to get out of the current, come up to your bait, and eat it. With this rig, you're literally bringing it right to their doorstep, so you can catch a lot of fish faster. And right now I just got a bite and it went under, so I close my bail and I bring my rod tip nice and high, and I bring in all the slack line. It comes with a circle hook, so you don't really need to set the hook in a traditional sense. All you do is apply steady pressure, and it'll look something just like this. I'm starting to feel tension on my rod. I'm making sure the fish is still there. The bobber's been under for a little bit now. That's what's so nice about this bobber, is it gets taken under easily, but it can support big bait. So with the circle hook, just kind of reel in and apply steady pressure just like that. At this point, I know I'm hooked up on a big one.
This is a big one. This is the big fish. I have a trophy. Oh my God. Oh my God. She got it. Oh God. Oh. Oh. That's a flathead. That is a flathead if I've seen one. Oh. Oh, all in one shot. Here we go, guys. Let's check this thing out again. FATKAT Rig. Oh. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.